Hi guys, welcome to the channel Meant to Be Careers. My name is Alan Arundan. I'm a CFA chart holder, and in this video we're going to be discussing entirely about the CFA registration process. So hang on, enjoy, and let me know in the comment box what you felt about the video. Thank you. So as with everything, I like to refer to the original source, which is the CFA Institute website. And I have come to the section of programs. All you need to do is come to the program section of the CFA website. Okay, so if you just check out here in the program section, you will see become a CFA charter holder, right? So just click on become a CFA charter holder and you should be in this page, right? And come to the enrollment criteria and requirements for the CFA exam. That's all that you need to refer, right? And the first section out here to refer to is meet one of the enrollment requirements, right? Very plain and simple, it's written. Either you are a bachelor's or you are an undergrad student, or either you are in none of these criteria and you fall under the work experience criteria. So what it means to say is that even if you do not have a graduation, even if you do not have a formal education, you can still do CFA, right? So let's explore the first point. The first point, if you have any bachelor's degree, you have completed the graduation already, you are good to go. That also means that if you're already a master's, then you don't really have to worry about the bachelor's separately, right? So don't get confused there. Okay. Second is undergrad student. So if you're an undergrad student, your final exam, okay, your exam window that you're appearing for CFA, you should make sure that your final exam in your graduation is 11 months away. Okay, that means basically what it means is that if you are in your final year of graduation, you're good to go. All right, just make sure that it's at least 11 months away or fewer before the graduation month. Okay, so the criteria out here is not the CFA exam, but in reality what they're actually talking about is your graduation, right? So your graduation final exam should be 11 months away. Do not confuse this with the CFA exam. Okay, that's what I've seen a lot of candidates getting confused out there. They try to compare their CFA exam with 11 months. That's not what they're talking about. They're talking about the graduation. So if your graduation is 11 months away, go ahead and register for the exam, right? Second is, if you do not fall under these two criteria, then what do you do, right? So very simple. It says you have to have a combination of 4,000 hours of work experience. Okay, this is in case you are not a graduate or in case you are not an undergrad. Okay, so what you need to be aware is that you can combine work experience and education. For example, if I was a second year dropout student, so I can combine that 2 years with any 2 years of work experience where I had been paid. So the criteria is paid. Okay, whether you've been working with your family, whether you've been working in an internship, whether you've been doing a full-time job, doesn't matter. All that has to be met is that you have been paid. So the criteria is paid. Okay, so in case let's say if I have 2 years of work experience as an intern for 2 years, right, and I dropped out in second year of graduation, then how does this work out? Simple. Your education, 1 full year of education is considered as 1,000 hours. Okay, so if I've done 2 years of education, that means 2,000 hours, right? So 2,000 hours there and 2 years of internship combined, my criteria for 4,000 hours is fulfilled, and you can go ahead and take your registration with CFA Institute, right? Now what you need to be aware is CFA does not come and check your or audit your initially when you are submitting your documents. It is not audited, right? But that is what is required of you to understand that you are following this entire process in the most ethical way. Okay, because you don't know when a new audit will take place and your audited or your documents might just get verified or your documents might just be scrutinized, and at that time you don't want to be losing your charter. So you're taking the first step towards the journey. Make sure that you're doing it in the most ethical and the moral way possible. Okay, and it actually is actually written out here, right? So if you see that, please note that the CFA Institute may request a proof of education letter work experience to be submitted at any stage of your journey, right? So when I registered for CFA never asked for me, but later on when I was appearing for my charter, I'm applying for my charter, all the documents got verified, right? So be sure that you have the most ethical intent, because CFA Institute puts a lot of weightage on ethics, and in fact the exam is also 20% weightages on ethics on all the 3 levels, so you don't want to be screwing up there. All right. Okay, there's a new video which is coming up every week on finance, investment banking, career guidances. So if you want to stay updated with such content, please do subscribe to our channel. Thank you. Bye bye.